If the updated profile picture of your WhatsApp application is not visible to a single contact only, then let us see how to fix this issue. Now the reason behind this one might be is because you have blocked that contact in your WhatsApp application. So what you do, go ahead and open WhatsApp application. Go to these three dotted icons here, settings, go to accounts, privacy, go to this option blocked contacts. If you see the phone number of the person to whom your updated WhatsApp profile picture is not visible, if it is here, then you have to unblock those contact. And if you want to unblock that contact, what you have to do, you have to simply press this phone number and you will get the option to unblock. So if you want to unblock, just select this option, unblock, and you can see that contact is now unblocked, and that contact will be able to see your updated WhatsApp profile picture again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.